Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about advanced micro devices or AMD, and I have talked about this stock couple of months back or couple of times as well. So the stock has already made a big breakout, and this has happened after a span of, as you can see, probably 40 years. So this breakout means a lot, and the breakout also tells you that this is a start of a new trend which was stayed for 40 years. So in a technical parlance, it means a lot, which means that you have just finished up with your previous era and you have entered into a new era of stock trend. Now, without doing any further delay, let me tell you about the importance of it and the levels which you are going to look at. So because we are talking about long-term trend, that's why I have used monthly chart. Now as you can see here, the previous trend was in between. So this was the higher end of the range, which is 49.96 or probably $50, and lower end of the range is $1.67. So first of all, and rather than taking 49.96, you can say in between 42 and 49 the resistance lies. Now these two levels is the most important support level for this particular stock and the big uptrend. So the stock must not fall below $42 here, otherwise it will enter into its previous trend, and after 42 you have your next support at $21 followed by $4, and then you have $1.67. Now there are other support levels as well, but I'm not going to discuss about that because I have just talked about the important support levels for the time being, and the highlight of this video is the breakout and not a chance where stock could probably falls down. So we will focus on the breakout only. Now because the risk factor always be placed at the first place, that's why I have talked about the important support levels. But as you can see, the stock already moved 2500%, 2529% from the lows towards the highs. Okay, now with this breakout, so let me tell you again, this is a long term chart. Many people asking about uh, the trend and the time duration for that, and I'm saying again and again, this is a monthly chart, long term chart. Now with this, as you can see, there is a 2500% worth of return that the stock has generated while moving from the lower end towards the higher end of the range. Now with this breakout, we are expecting at least, okay, I'm using the word at least, the same amount of return one will probably get in the years to come. So if I use that percentage worth 2500 and 2529% actually, so 2500, yeah, so near to that, which means we are looking at a level which is as high as 4 digits. Okay, now many people would definitely say that it is quite high and whether it is possible or not. Then my friends, we can't, neither you are right nor I am right. What I have is my data analysis and years of experience, on the basis of which I have studied and spent time on a particular subject, and based on that I am giving you the trend or observations. Okay, because either you are using fundamental or technical analysis, and I use both of them, but let me tell you, technical analysis specifically focus on price action, so it always have the upper hand when you are specifically talk about price action. Okay, and not the overall business for the time being. Now how much time it will take, I'm not going to talk on that because it's a long term, but there is a chance, the priority is very high, that sooner or later in the next couple of years It's definitely going to be in those periphery where you will surprise that the stock has generated a huge amount of return. Now there will be consolidation, there will be corrections in between, because some people would say that the rally has started from $1 and it went up to $94, so it has already generated 5,300% worth of returns. Now this is just a bounce back, and above 49 the actual rally has started. Now there will be correction, consolidation, and there is a chance that it may fall back towards or in between 42 and 49. There is a possibility, but if this level holds, the condition is if this level holds, which means if the stock holds above $42, okay, or in between 42 and $49, the probability is very high that it will definitely go and reach much higher levels than one could probably see right now. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.